Hello everyone! If you haven't tried Georgian cuisine yet, I'm referring to the country, not the state. You absolutely must. Georgia is known for amazing hospitality, food and drink culture. There are lots of amazing dishes in Georgian cuisine. And some of the recipes you can find on my channel. Today I will be making another famous Georgian dish called Chahohbili. But nowadays, this dish is more popular with chicken. Chahohbili is a ragu or stew made with chicken, tomatoes, seasoning and fresh herbs. As always, I will slightly modify the recipe to make it easier and more approachable for a beginner cook. I will make this dish in the Instant Pot, which makes it a bit easier, but you can also use the same recipe for Dutch oven. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make Georgian chicken stew in the Instant Pot or Dutch oven. Also, stick around till the end. I will show you the best way to pair this dish with original amber Georgian wine. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Sliced onions and minced garlic. Original recipe calls for whole chicken, but for save time on carving, and since we are starting a swim season, I will use boneless and skinless chicken breast. Turn on Instant Pot on sauté mode, add some oil and brown chicken on all sides. Season chicken with salt and pepper. No need to cook it through, just brown it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Tip number 1. Don't overcrowd the Instant Pot. Cook meat in a few batches. When overcrowded, food will stick to the pot and will not brown properly. Take the chicken out to a separate dish. Add a bit more oil to the Instant Pot and sauté onions until soft and translucent. Add some salt in the process. Now you can add minced garlic, tomato sauce, hot pepper, adjika sauce, which is a Georgian-style chili paste, and khmeli suneli, which is a Georgian-style spice mix. Cook it all for another minute. You can find adjika and khmeli suneli on Amazon. These spices are very flavorful and you can also use them in most other Georgian dishes, so it's all good investment. Now you can add diced canned tomatoes together with liquid from the can. Always remember to deglaze after sautéing and before pressure cooking to avoid burn message on your Instant Pot. Now turn off your Instant Pot. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly recipes. Like, share and comment. It will help a lot to support my new channel. Now we are ready for pressure cook. Close the lid, turn on pressure on the manual high for 15 minutes and wait for natural pressure release. Total cooking time 10 minutes to come to pressure, 15 minutes under pressure and 10 minutes natural pressure release. So in total 35 minutes. Now if you want to make this dish in the Dutch oven, the process is identical. You will cook chicken under a closed lid in Dutch oven until chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking this dish in a Dutch oven or Instant Pot takes about the same amount of time. And finally, add fresh cilantro or parsley to the dish and it's ready to serve. I like to serve this dish with flat bread or rice. Georgia is very famous for its wine. I heard that Georgia has been making wine for over 8,000 years. Today I'm pairing this great dish with Georgian wine called kisikvebri. This is dry amber wine. Personally, I never tried amber wine before. This wine pairs well with chicken dishes, has a very interesting taste and nice velvety finish. Personally, I can't really describe the wine very well, but I really like this unique taste of this amber wine, so I highly recommend it. I hope you like this recipe. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly recipes and cooking tips. If you like this video, check out my collection of Instant Pot recipes and also some Georgian dishes I have on my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon.